Alright guys, what's up YouTube? McNeil Tech back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit and duplicate yourself if you want on Kinemaster. So let's get started. First things first, you have to import your video. In this case, the two parts of the video were shot together as one clip. So what I have to do is that I will go to the middle of the clip and then cut it. I'm not cutting it because I like to cut things. I'm cutting it for a reason, and you'll see that now. So after cutting it, I have to add it as a layer. So I added it as a layer right now. As you can see, it is a bit down, and then I have to drag this layer towards the first video, the first part of the clip, so that it can have this juxtaposing effect. So after that, as you can see, the layer is a bit small compared to the original video, so you have to increase the size so that it can be exactly the same size as the original video. Then next up, you have to crop. Before you crop, make sure that this masking option is on. The masking helps it to juxtapose smoothly and blend. If the masking is not on, there will be like a line in demarcating the layer and the original video. So this masking helps to make your video blend and make it seem like one. So after that, you have to crop it. I moved it over to the middle so that the two clips can show simultaneously, and I selected the middle to be the chair where I was sitting, on the middle of the chair, so that people don't know that there are two videos at one glance. You get? But if you see very detailedly, you can see some mistakes, but that is okay for now. So after doing that, as you can see, the video plays right now smoothly, and it's so cool. Thank you for watching. This remains McNeil Tech, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.